Hey, this is Cosmic Nova, the second half of Novify. Oh my god. Nova Noobify. Yeah, I'm talking to John right now, who's the second half, well, depends on the first half, second half, of Nova Noobify. And yeah, we've started off this new channel for vlogs, because John, Noob Mario AU, which is John, he usually puts vlogs on his channel, but we decided to create a vlog channel, and we'll be updating vlogs every day, one for him, one for me. He'll probably be more often, I might forget sometimes, but yeah. And also weekly we'll be on each other's channels. Maybe I might be on his channel, he might be on my channel, I don't know. Otherwise it's gonna be fun, we're gonna have good times. Okay, thank you very much, have a nice day. Bye. Okay, that was gay. Bye.
Gay!